Yeah. Turn up a little bit. Please. Yeah. Loud. Nanish. Nigga. From the moment that I told myself I do this for the rest of my days, irregardless of the plays or the fame or the fortune, I'm working with a vision. I feel that I'm more important than any monetary demand. I'm not concerned with the amount of money I currently count. If attention was all I wanted, that would mean I'm superficial and hypocritical. Right to live a life of decadence, but destitution is the normal form of fantasy. I have it when I wake up to reality and realize I really ain't shit. Who the fuck I ever reach? You even listen when I speak? The speed is all they seem to talk about. I've been appointed as a poet, disposing many emotions. Supposedly all the pain is the part that makes it relatable. Opinions I don't need them, you might as well keep them. I always do me and I never make an apology. Appropriate the policy properly. This a positive proposition. Depends on cooperation, decoded by defamation, amazing by definition, perfected by repetition, accepted by statisticians that see the professional put his life in the lyrics. I wanna give you the truth. I testify with the real. The feel is foreign to fakes. It's not familiar to snakes. I made mistakes in the past. Gradually I progressed and graduated to a man. I tell myself I can again and again, so I don't forget it. Submissive within your actions. I'm actually reacting, relaxing. It's for the weak and the faint of heart. I'm parted away from the negativity. Energies and anomaly. Modesty's a commodity modified by the masses. I mastered the art of making them think. I could lead you to the water, but I still can't force you to drink. I can influence your decision, but I never make it for you. Lie. Only if I could ever give his legendary. The success or failure they would judge it by does not apply to me, myself, no right. The type of focus they remember for centuries. Documented is the greatest that ever did it, but different than most. We had ulterior motives and motivating, subdue, assuming intentions were the purest they could possibly be. A monster to see, I plant a seed and watch it grow from the earth. You can't determine my worth, I'm not obliged to comply. I pass on any type of judgment, they don't know me at all. You look confused from my view, I do whatever I choose. Giving nothing but the gospel I supply through a sound. Complicated by the noise that I'm attempting to drown. Profound innovation, defacing the soulless, but so in control I can see that it's hopeless. Loud, knowledge. Never. All of this ignorance is something I'll never get it while you can. You know why you still living. Let me put you on some game. It won't even take a minute. Just keep working through the pain, then you'll see the plain difference. Tell them I done seen it all and I'm still refusing to give a check on temperature. I will feel like a soldier in the field. I said I'm going for the kill. Your shit is weak, my shit is in. It's overdriving overtime. It's on the pole. I'm climbing. No could give a fuck if you agree with what I'm doing. Alright, your vision on this one is 20 if we talking hindsight. I was playing mathematics, you know, black on both sides. Elevated to a level where I feel the best. I try to tell them that there's really no comparison to I before sign. Yes, Lord, I feel like then your son. Just wait, I'll show you I'm the one. Ice running through my veins, we can never be the same. I know what I want. I do, I'll never be like you. That's true, you're losing because you choose, so I think you got it all confused. There's a reason why we at where we at. Survival of the fittest, knowledge will acknowledge it. It's natural selection, some of us are fade to fall. Then disappear into obscurity amongst it all. The other half, what they ascend to something greater. I can see the vision in my mind, but can't articulate it. As frustrating as it seems, as reality is, the farthest thing from real. It's funny that we call it that shit, cause if you think about it, really, we just died to exist. The fear missing out inside, like no one notices us. We take for granted what we have and then obsess about the things that we don't. Complain about the smallest problems in a list of our wants, plus the things that we buy to cover up how we feel. You were secure with lots of money, man, that can't be helped. Lost in the deep, screaming, someone help me, but they won't cause the world is selfish. You say you do or doubt it, say all you do is smile. My vision never clouded, no, you ain't really about it. You say you do or doubt it, say all you do is smile. My vision never clouded, no, you ain't really about it. You say you do or doubt it, say all you do is smile. My vision never clouded, no, you ain't really about it. You say you do or doubt it, say all you do is smile. My vision never clouded, no, you ain't really about it, really about it. many times will they tell me no? How many times will they shoot me down and close the door? How many times? How many times will a nigga fail? How many times have you slipped before you finally prevail? How many times? How many times will you persevere? How many times will you keep faith in the process when it isn't clear? How many times must you fight your fears? How many times will you get up when you fall and you still here? What's clear to you ain't clear to me, that's just a misconception. Yeah, I may have fallen, I may have stumbled, but I learned my lesson. The gift of life, boy, ain't it nice? Yeah, this shit a blessing. The pressure builds to where I can't take it, I must confess it. If it ain't for me, then I'm never stressing. I'm trying to set my plan in stone, they wanna etch and sketch it. To each their own, I'd rather roam, I'm resetting the settings. Adjust a few, my shit's screwed, they aloof to the message. Make up it low, make up it down, but I never been out. Carry that load, breaking the mold in the midst of a drought. Don't take that much for me to see what you niggas about. I said I refuse to be consumed by the hate and the doubt, nigga. How many times will they tell me no? How many times will they shoot me down and close the door? How many times? How many times will a nigga fail? How many times have you slipped before you finally prevail? How many times? How many times will you persevere? How many times will you keep faith in the process when it isn't clear? How many times must you fight your fears? How many times will you get up when you fall and you still here? We so high that we can't come down. Don't look down, won't come down. Oh, we so high that we can't come down. Don't look down, won't come down. All that I see is these vices. Niggas pretend to be righteous. Hard to survive in this climate where your senses is heightened. Try my best to enlighten, but first I humble myself. Gotta put my pride to the side and just let it fall by my waist. I might fall flat on my face, I know that bitter taste. I'm out here trying to keep my faith like a Latter-day Saint. I use their words as motivation when they tell me I can't. Outside the box the way I think, refuse to give in a quit. Yeah, I can't. How many times will they tell me no? How many times will they shoot me down and close the door? How many times? How many times will a nigga fail? How many times have you slipped before you finally prevail? How many times? How many times will you persevere? How many times will you keep faith in the process when it isn't clear? How many times must you fight your fears? How many times will you get up when you fall and you still here? Somehow I stay motivated. Started out with nothing on my own, now they see what I cultivated. Feeling like my time is coming soon, so I stay focused on the daily. It was not an option to regress, I will progress, I must confess. 7 days a week, yes, I'm still at it, you can see. Never made excuses, I fall down, I get back up. Only so much time, I gotta go hard before it ends. I'm on a mission, gotta get it, never quit. Born in the world as a convalescent, since I was motivated from the jump. I couldn't be standing around with the same pedestrians and watching the time fly. I got to switch it up like I was ambidextrous to get where I wanted to be. I was under the impression that you would the hustle and sacrifice for a dream. Look, if I cut a record, then I do it again as I work in repetitive fashion. The feeling is therapeutic, so I have to do it. It's connected to me and my passion. I'm giving 1,000,000,000%. I know anything less is a waste of my natural talent. I told them I take this shit serious in the conversation, period. Work till I'm feeling delirious. I know some people that threw in the time because they couldn't see the results. Underestimate the effort it takes and you fold it ain't what you thought. You gotta show some determination, never setbacks, leave it terminated. Shit isn't complicated, gotta stay motivated. Show in and save from all the pressure, somehow I stay motivated. Started out with nothing on my own, now they see what I cultivated. Feeling like my time is coming soon, so I stay focused on the daily. It was not an option to regress, I will progress, I must confess. 7 days a week, yes, I'm still at it, you can see. Never made excuses, I fall down, I get back up. Only so much time, I gotta go hard before it ends. I'm on a mission, gotta get it, never quit. S to the H to the I to the T, and the plan I plot is a beautiful scheme like a mastermind. I pull the strings, American to get set, the message is sent. I just be moving intentionally, it's the way that I be, I'm internally free. And they wanted me out of the picture to see a scenario where they could take everything. Feeling like Vito Corleone before they attempt the assassination. Got my finger on top of the pulse and it's palpitating. Push a powerful product, the palette, the pottery pen. lies and the policies, pile up the pennies and pay all the penalties. Play a position and save all your energy. It's just a matter of time before we battle with the enemy. Looking like a war, bring it to your door. What is in store? Tell them we can dive deep in the madness. Give them what they want, they can have more. I don't wanna be the runner, but I gotta make it to the top. I know it's a marathon, I'm running till the wheels fall off, but I'm not stranded. I will take advantage. I refuse to panic. Should've win and save them all the pressure. Somehow I stay motivated. Started out with nothing on my own. Now they see what I cultivated. Feeling like my time is coming soon, so I stay focused on the daily. It was not an option to regress. I will progress. I must confess. I'm on my shit. 7 days a week, it's I'm still at it. You can see. Never made excuses. I fall down, I get back up. Only so much time I got, go hard before it ends. I'm on a mission, gotta get it, never quit. I'm on my shit.
Straight into the wall, fighting with my eyes closed to the damn gone. Dealing with my demons, we've been dancing in the night. Battle with the devil in the pale moonlight. Oh, terrified I could lose it all. Tell me how you get to where you gone. I need navigation for the back roads. Losing track of time where it all goes. Going up and down on the right again. They gon' wanna try to fly again. Out the tools with the lighting. But first I gotta get out of bed. Floating on a high, I've been on a wind.